In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write video prompts in InVideo AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the tool, sign in, write a clear prompt, and generate a polished video in just a few minutes. Start by heading to the InVideo AI website in a modern browser. You'll land on the sign-in page. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the editor loads smoothly. If you use extensions that block cookies or pop-ups, consider turning them off for this session to avoid any hiccups while the workspace opens. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This is the fastest way to get into your workspace. Pick the Google account you want tied to your projects and approve any standard permissions the app requests. If you see a browser prompt about pop-ups or redirects, allow it so the login can complete. Keep an eye on which account you select, especially if you manage both personal and work profiles, so your projects stay organized in the right place. Once you're inside the workspace, look for the main prompt field. This is where the magic happens. Begin with the essentials: your topic, the desired duration, and the target platform. Then layer in specifics about visual style, tone, and any required elements, such as a particular voiceover or a music vibe. For example, create a 1-minute YouTube video about sustainable living with a friendly and encouraging tone, featuring calming visuals and upbeat music. That structure tells the AI what to make, how long it should be, who it's for, and how it should feel. Keep your wording simple and directive. Mention the audience if it matters, note any brand requirements, and include the aspect ratio if you need one, like vertical for shorts or reels. If you have a key message or call to action, write it right in the prompt so it shows up in the script. Avoid cramming in multiple topics at once. One clear idea leads to cleaner scenes and better pacing. When your prompt looks solid, click Generate My Video. InVideo AI will draft a script, assemble scenes, and match visuals and audio to your instructions. This can take a moment, so let it process. When it's ready, preview the entire video. If something doesn't land, maybe the tone feels too formal or the pacing is slow, go back to your prompt, adjust a few phrases, and generate again. Small, targeted tweaks like make the tone more playful or use faster cuts usually produce quick improvements. That's all you need to get from idea to output. Thanks for watching, and happy creating with InVideo AI.